Welcome to Act Notes Tutorials. My name is Dan, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on the Department of Defense Risk Management Framework. Before we describe what the Risk Management Framework is, we must first understand what risk management is. Risk management is a process of managing and reducing risk throughout the life cycle of a system or program. It serves as the foundation of the Risk Management Framework, RMF. There are four main elements of risk management. Element 1. Risk identification, identifying and measuring the known and unknown risks. Element 2. Risk mitigation, developing mitigation options. Element 3. Risk mitigation implementation, selecting, planning, and implementing appropriate risk mitigations. And finally, Element 4. Risk tracking, tracking the implementation to ensure successful risk reduction. The Department of Defense Risk Management Framework, or what we call the RMF, describes the process for identifying, implementing, assessing, and managing cybersecurity capabilities and services. It authorizes the operations of information systems. RMF brings a risk-based approach to the implementation of cybersecurity, supports cybersecurity integration throughout a system's life cycle, promotes reciprocity to the maximum extent possible, and stresses continuous monitoring. The RMF replaces the DoD Information Assurance Certification and Accreditation process called DIACAP. The goals of the Risk Management Framework as stated by the Defense Security Service, DSS, are: improve information security, strengthen risk management processes, and encourage reciprocity among federal agencies. There are 5 objectives with the Risk Management Framework. These objectives are: Objective number 1. Incorporate cybersecurity early in the acquisition and system development life cycle. Objective number 2. Implement a 3-tiered approach to risk management that addresses risk-related concerns at the enterprise level, the mission and business process level, and the information system level. Objective number 3. Provide a risk management methodology that gives organizations a true picture of vulnerabilities caused by non-compliant controls as it relates to other risk factors. Objective number 4. Codify system authorization. Reciprocity enables organizations to accept approvals by other organizations for interconnection or reuse of information technology without retesting. And finally, objective number 5. Emphasize information security. Continuous monitoring and timely correction of deficiencies, including active management of vulnerabilities and incidents. The Risk Management Framework parallels the defense acquisition process from initiation and consists of 7 steps. These steps are: Step 1. Prepare, carry out essential activities at the organization, mission and business process, and information system levels of the enterprise to help prepare the organization to manage its security and privacy risks. Step 2. Categorize system. Information systems will be categorized based on the impact due to a loss of confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the information system. Security impact levels are defined as low, moderate, or high. The impact values will be documented in the security system plan along with the research, key decisions, approvals, and supporting rationale. Step 3. Select security controls. Identify the security controls that are provided by the organization as common controls for all information system under the organization's control, and document these controls in the security system plan. Control implementation can be characterized as system-specific, common, and hybrid. Step 4. Implement security controls. Implement the controls in the security and privacy plans for the system and organization. Document all the processes and procedures you need. Step 5. Assess security controls. Determine if the controls are implemented correctly and producing the desired outcome with respect to meeting the security and privacy requirements for the system and the organization. Step 6. Authorize system. Provide formal authorization if everything is working as intended. And finally, Step 7. Monitor security controls. A continuous strategy of monitoring is required to determine if the security controls are working. Continuous monitoring activities support the concept of near real-time risk management through ongoing security assessments and risk analysis, and recording the results in information systems security documentation. The Risk Management Framework implements a 3-level governance approach to cybersecurity risk management. Level 1. Organization. Addresses risk management at the DoD enterprise level. At this tier, the DoD Chief Information Officer directs and oversees the cybersecurity risk management of the DoD. Level 2, Mission, Business Processes. At this level, The Component Chief Information Office is responsible for the administration of the risk management framework within the DoD Component Cybersecurity Program. And finally, Level 3, Information System. The DoD component heads are responsible for the appointment of trained and qualified authorization officials for all DoD information systems within their component. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Risk Management Framework. For more information, visit the website where you can download a copy of the Risk Management Framework Guide, Special Publication 800-37 for Information Systems and Organizations. Congratulations for finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT Notes.